Without wasting much time, let's dive into a 24-volt solar panel. We already said that your solar panel can be 12 volts or 24 volts. We talked about how we get to know that this particular solar panel is a 12 volt solar panel, whereas this particular solar panel is a 24 volt solar panel. In the two solar panel nameplates that I have put before you, you have not seen any of them written 12 volts. You have not seen any of them written 12 volts. That means, as a professional, you should be able to differentiate between a 12 volt solar panel and a 24 volt solar panel, because a 12 volt solar panel, as we already said, is used to configure a 12 volt system, and a 24 volt solar panel is used to configure a 24 volt system. If you have a 48 volt system, you can combine 12 volt solar panels, maybe in series. It will certainly give you a 48 volt system or a 36 volt system. When we are talking about a 12 volt, 24, 36, 48, and so on, we are talking about the inverter size. If you follow us to our next level of our training, we talk about inverter size. So when we are saying a 12 volt system, we are making reference to the charge controller. We are making reference to the inverter size in particular. So when we say 12 volt system, that means we are using one solar battery. When we say a 24 volt system, we are using two solar battery. A 36 volt system, we are using three solar battery, and a 48 volt system, we are using four solar battery of 12 volt each. So if you want to use a 12 volt solar panel or with a 12 volt, a 48 volt system, you need to series them. That means you have many solar panels connected in series, as the case may be. So before you is a 24 volt solar panel nameplate, clearly shown here. If you look at, this is Jinko solar products. Is one of the products we love using. So you can see the maximum power here. You can see the maximum power here is 465 watts. This is a 465 watts solar panel. Power measurement tolerance, we talk about plus or minus 3%. We dwell on this in our previous video. There's no point explaining much thing here, because we already expatiated on all this. You see, this particular nameplate comes with more data, but we will not go into all this. If you need to understand how all these figures came about, you need to join us in our next training, so you can see your maximum power voltage. This might be for the engineers or for the professionals. So this is the maximum power voltage. The maximum power voltage, that is voltage at maximum power. We talked about this. You have 43.18 volts, and you have maximum power current, that is current at maximum power, to be 10.77 amp. This one was 43.18 volts. That is the voltage. That is the voltage at maximum power, and this is 10.77 amp. That is current at maximum power. and you have your open circuit voltage to be 51.92 plus or minus. That means plus or minus, I've already expatiated on this, plus or minus 3%. So you might have a value less than this by 3% or a value higher than this by 3%. You equally have your short circuit current to be 11.59 amp plus or minus 4% is applicable to this. That means you can have that. If you do that, then this one is maximum system voltage 1500 VDC. We get to understand this when we are doing system configuration, maximum series and operating temperature. We can have here, these are the standard test conditions in which this solar panel, what this nameplate was subjected to before you have these parameters printed on this nameplate, and this is the weight of the solar panel. Well, we want to move to another concept. If you don't understand the nameplates, please try to put a question. You can DM me and you'll be put through with more explanation. But I believe we have done justice. We have done justice to the ivy curve of a solar panel. I say we have done justice to the ivy curve of a solar panel, and we have equally done justice to a solar panel nameplate. Why do we come up with this training? This training is to assist you understand the solar panel nameplates when you are buying your solar panel. Subway Energy Academy gives you up-to-date information, gives you the secrets in the solar industry, gives you the small details that some people might be overlooking. If you join us in our next level of the training, all the secrets, and everything surrounding the solar industry will be exposed to you. And at the end of the day, you will be able to not only make wise decisions, you will be making wise and informed decisions. And at the end of the day, you will guide against costly mistakes that other people are making in the solar industry. And if you are able to guide against the costly mistakes, your solar panel, your solar installation will always stand the test of time. You are guaranteed when you join our training. You are guaranteed when you consult us to install a solar system for you. We give you nothing but the best in service delivery, training, and consulting.